got there, Mark?
What?
In the bag, Mark.
Oh, just some sandwiches. My mom made them.
Well, do you plan to share them with us, Mark?
Oh, man, I'm sorry. I didn't bring nearly enough.
Well, that's rude.
Well, it's nothing personal. You need to give me some notice next time. My mom will be happy to make some more.
Would you happen to have anything else in that bag, Mark?
No. Well, nothing you guys would be interested in.
I think you better let me decide that. Now, Mark, I'm gonna have to insist that you let us look inside that bag of yours.
Yeah? No.
I'm gonna give you just a few seconds to hand that bag over. Do you understand?
I think I do. Do you?
Fire. Fire. Fire! Let slip the dogs of war! Thank you. Disgusting. This wouldn't happen to be the nuclear trigger, would it, Mark?
I guarantee you it's not.
Not that I distrust you, but I think I'll take a peek.
Be my guest. Oh, wait a second. Is this what you're looking for? Now, if you would have just told me what you were looking for before you started shooting, I would have been a little more helpful. And as it turns out, owner doesn't even need this anymore. Asked me to dispose of it for him. Disarms with that same button, right there. You're safe as long as you hear it beeping. Tuna, my favorite. Mom's the best.